Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You need to verify core eligibility now. Confirm 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, and link your AdSense account so earnings can flow. Once done, enable two-step verification and double-check channel-level strikes. Strikes block monetization. Make sure your account info matches your tax and payment details. Mismatch delays payouts. If a copyright claim exists, identify whether it's a claim or strike and gather timestamps and evidence. Act immediately. These steps remove the most common roadblocks to approval. Now perform a policy compliance audit across your recent uploads. Pick the top 20 videos, inspect for reused non-original content, and verify that metadata honestly represents the content. If videos are not advertiser-friendly, either edit to remove sensitive segments or set them as non-monetized. Once done, collect licenses and permission emails for any third-party material. Keep them in one folder. Make sure descriptions include clear timestamps and context to demonstrate value and intent. This reduces manual review risk and speeds approval. When everything is corrected, submit your channel for a monetization review and include a brief note summary explaining the precise changes you've made. Reviewers appreciate clarity. If review gets denied, wait the required 30 days and then reapply with documented evidence, licenses, timestamps, and a changelog. If problems persist, escalate through YouTube support, the Creator Help Community, or Creator Insider. Provide your appeal ID and samples. One key troubleshooting tip: keep a version changelog so you can show progressive remediation during any appeal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.